to Cooking at Pam's Place. If you're new, welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm Chef Pam and we're getting ready to make a two ingredient pumpkin cake. It is absolutely delicious. It's a food shortage right now, so if we can make meals and desserts with the least possible ingredients, we've got an edge on things. And if you want to learn how to make all kind of homemade food and dishes, easy, simple, made from scratch, just take a second and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you turn on that notification bell and set it to all so you'll always get my videos every time I upload one. And then just keep hanging around because I have a whole channel full of recipes that'll get you there. Let's get busy. We are back, and as I said originally, we have two ingredients. You're going to need spice cake mix. Now, you actually can use any cake mix you have. Like I said, there's a food shortage. So if you have vanilla cake in your pantry already, you can go with that as well. Chocolate, any kind. You can really use any kind. But for this particular one, for a real pumpkin-y flavor and everything, we're going to use a spice cake mix. And you want 100% pumpkin. Do not use pumpkin pie filling. This is 100% pumpkin. There is nothing in this can but pumpkin, and that's what you need. These are our two ingredients. Now, I am going to ice my cake, but that's not part of the cake. That's not part of the two ingredient cake. This cake is marvelous with just no icing at all, but I happen to be a fan of cream cheese icing, so I'm going to make that as well and put on it. Let's get going with our two ingredient cake. Okay, so the other things that you will need will be a 9 by 13 inch pan. Now, this is a very thick cake. You can use a bundt pan, but it works better with a small layer because it is a very thick cake, dense cake. Okay, for me, I need a can opener so we can get this can open. And yes, I'm using a regular old can opener. So you just want to get in here, get your can opened up. Get your pie filling out in a minute, but first we're going to open up our cake mix and get that in there as well. Okay, now we have our cake mix in here. We want to get our pie filling out of the can and put it in as well. And take this top all the way off. Now, we just have two ingredients, so make sure you get all of your pie filling out of the can. After all, it is a food shortage, so we do not want to leave any in here. Okay, all empty. Now, you just want to combine this until it is completely combined. We are all mixed. This is smelling amazing. And this is how it should look. As you can see, it's really thick. So now we're going to get it into our 9 by 13 inch pan. You can spray your pan with some spray oil if you'd like. If you don't have a non-stick pan, you might want to spray it. We do not take food shortages lightly. And that's why a 2 ingredient cake is just awesome. And it is the season for pumpkin. So this 2 ingredient pumpkin cake is awesome for holidays as well. Heading into Thanksgiving, you need a quick, simple, easy recipe to take to a Thanksgiving function. This is amazing, guys. Okay, so now we're going to spread it out. I like to go in with the back of a spoon. It's a little bit easier, unless you have an offset spatula, which I don't, which I need, but that's a whole nother story. I like to go in with the back of a spoon. So what you want to do, since it is a thick mixture, I have a cup of warm water sitting here. I'm just going to dip my spoon down in the water, shake the excess off, and that's going to help me smooth it out real nice and easy all the way to the corners. So we're all done spreading it. As you can see, I got it all the way to the edges, all the way around, and it's pretty level. We're going to bake this in 350-degree oven for about 20 minutes or so, just until a knife inserted into the center comes out clean, and we'll be back. While our cake is in the oven, I went ahead and started on my cream cheese frosting, which it's not part of the 2-ingredient cake, so I went ahead and made it. If you want to know how to make my cream cheese frosting that's all made from scratch, 4 ingredients, check that link right there. I've got a carrot cake, which gives you explicit directions on exactly what to do. So I'm going to go ahead and finish this one up right now. And our cake should be done in a minute. Okay, our cake is out of the oven and it is looking amazing. It is still very hot. Just want you guys to see. And you will know that it's done when you insert a knife right in the middle and it comes out clean. So let's see together. Yes, look at that. Nothing on the knife. It's clean. So we're going to let it cool for a few minutes and then we're going to get it iced, sliced, so you guys can see the inside. Okay, we are all cool now, so I'm going to go ahead and put this icing on the cake. It looks so nice and rich. Oh my goodness. Okay guys, our pumpkin cake is all done. Doesn't that look amazing? Okay, so let's see here, cut a good sized piece. Pick it up with this one. There we go. Slide it up under there. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Doesn't that look amazing? Oh my goodness. So I'm going to use a little pumpkin pie spice just for decoration. Shake this over here. Not too much. This looks amazing. Oh my goodness. Thank you all for coming and hanging out with me today in my kitchen making this 2-ingredient pumpkin pie. It's food storage. Food shortage. I keep saying storage. Food shortage meal, guys. And I will see you next time. The good Lord willing and the creek don't rise.